Huh? One for good luck.
That was not funny, man. What the hell? That one for good luck. Yeah, so this morning I called Joe and I was like, Joe, do you want to get shot today? And he was like, yeah. So
that's why we're here.
Yeah, so we're gonna make it happen, you know. Got my Nuprol Delta Alpha Recon. Bought it, it's second hand, but it was like basically brand new. Got my tactical torch on here with a pressure pad. See if that's still on? Yeah, there you go. Pull that cable through there and then locks in right at the front. Can take it off if I want, to be honest, but I like it there. Got an EOTech, can't remember what it is. Real replica, it's not on. I don't want to turn it on. Thanks. Got the battery in here already. Great gun, really heavy. Hard to hold with one hand.
Yeah, I
really
saw you
hard.
struggling.
Yeah, it was.
I tried to do it as well, I was shaking.
Makes your arm shake, man. It's like a gym workout. But anyway, I know my gun's shooting, but I can't see where they're actually going. So I got myself some nice ASG cursed white 0.2 gram BBs. Amazon Prime. Amazon never let you down, you know. We got 5 mid-cap mags loaded up. One of them is a high cap, just there to, you know, so there's 6 mags. Don't want to have an empty space. That'll feel a bit weird.
What are the stats of the gun?
340 FPS ish, or 347, something like that. Somewhere high. Can't really say anything else because I don't have a thing.
You don't have the menu.
Yeah, I don't have the machine to show you the rate of fire, but you'll see that because I'm not gonna full auto you in the back.
Oh, I would never trust that coming from your mouth. But before that, we're gonna test it out on some boxes.
Yeah, so we got these Amazon boxes right here. We'll do that. We'll go set this up outside.
Yeah.
Edit it out. We're gonna do this in like a few minutes. We're waiting for my cat to come back inside because, you know, I don't want to shoot my cat or anything. Let's do this. Done.
What, the mag's done?
Yeah.
Oh, that was quick.
Actually, it wasn't that bad. It was just going straight through.
For the most part, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, straight through. I'll bleep out your address on the sticker.
Okay, so we've changed the targets over there. It's my turn to shoot the gun. Obviously, safety first. Let's go. Loving them connecting shots. Twitter bag. We out. My legs! Oh my goodness. So I only hit the bird once.
Yeah.
Right in the
wing.
Yep.
But look, it's literally gone straight. No, it didn't. Wait, what? Oh, it must
No,
have
because
gone-
it was
must-
twisting,
So
yeah.
it must have gone through
Only one of them No, this is the same one I left in earlier.
That's a weird angle there. So, Joe, these 2 targets at the side, you didn't even hit them.
Because I didn't aim for No, I'm joking. No, I didn't aim for them. I was aiming for. Look, as you can see.
Yeah, the
look at
full
that.
auto one. No, ignore that. The full auto one kind of just got. Just went right in the middle. That was beautiful.
But the black bees, I didn't even know where. I think it was just hitting the panel only. So I'm not even sure about that. That I didn't aim for this one as much. Actually, yeah, I didn't aim for the side ones at all.
It's lucky.
Actually, I did with the black BBs, but I didn't know where they were going. So there wasn't much I could do.
Pull it out of my imaginary chest trigger. See that? Grab that. So what what I found
Yeah.
is the mid caps feed all the way to the very end if you're on full auto, basically. But if you're not, then yeah. I think there's only one BB in there anyway, in that one. It's already split down there. This is when I'm shooting with my left hand as well. It's target. See, I was ripping this up, boy. See that 3-round burst? That's my prime shot right there. 3-round burst. This was a full auto. This was basically empty before, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But see, the full auto, the spread was much more. But that 3-round burst, that was it. And look at that! Oh my god.
Did you aim for this one at
I
all?
never aimed.
You got that two BBs there.
Ricochet. That was ricochet from this because I never aimed at that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, look at the black BBs. You see that?
Just
Stacking up.
there.
Stacking up in there. Look, that is beat up, man. We've been cutting some clean holes. Look, clean holes straight through. Look at those ones.
Damn, son.
'Cause as I was shooting, obviously it was spinning, wasn't it? So I was hitting it from all these different angles. We got some weird ones like that one, that hole over there, where you can see it was spinning and it's hit on the side. Damn. All right, let's go fill this up for you, boys. You ready? All right, so I'm gonna load up. Huh? I think. So I'm gonna load up, and we're gonna pop some shots in his back. Yeah. We loaded up a full high cap mag, so we're gonna start with some semi-auto, and then we'll move to a 3-round burst. I think we go that time.
My soda!
So the first 3 shots I did, it hit this kind of like cardigan thing. It's kind of a cardigan, like a shawl. It hit that. The next shot I did, I adjusted it a bit and I shot slightly to the right, and it hit him on where he only has his shirt. Boy, you can see his reaction there. You alive? Yeah.
Oh, no wonder. I was thinking like, hold on.
Alright, so we're just gonna go straight and do a 3-round burst.
It's a weird pain between like stinging and itching.
So Joe's now just experienced what it's like to get shot from not really that close. Pretty close, but not that close.
And I thought doing full auto was a good idea as well. Like,
that was literally that was like two BBs. Not even 3. It was 2. It was like.
we'll look at that at the thingy. Man.
But yeah, so now it's my turn.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
this is gonna be fun.
Shoot me in the back. Hopefully, please not in the back of the arm.
Oh yeah, that's why I put.
Yeah, I'm gonna be standing like this. I'm gonna be like this. And please try and don't hit my neck, please. Try not to.
Would you want this?
Yeah. I'm still a wimp. I still have my thing to protect my neck. I'll just be like this.
So now it's David's turn to get shot in the back. Tell me when you're ready. I'm gonna aim for his butt. Okay, semi.
Dude, can you not hit my back? Oh my god!
My thing started fogging up. Where did I hit you? On the shoulder? Oh.
You hit me in my leg,
Yeah.
my butt, and then my shoulder.
Yeah, I actually aimed for your butt, but that one I aimed for the middle of your back, and then it went to your shoulder.
Oh my god. Now I know why you were
Yeah.
I've got the itch.
Yeah, is that it? I still have that itch now. Okay, now we're going 3-round burst. I'll try not to. Safety.
Oh my god, Joe.
That one actually ends me about that time. Headshot this time. Ready? Just winding. Don't mind me. Where? Okay. Thanks for that. Thanks for the encouragement. Huh?
You done?
One for good luck.
That was not funny, man. What the hell? That one for good luck. Oh my god, you got me on the inside as well. One for good luck.
You know the weird thing is, I didn't even feel the pain until
Until it stopped.
the pain is just increasing now. Well, that's pretty much the end of the video there.
Yeah, man.
If you want any more Airsoft videos, leave a like or comment below.
We don't want anymore. We're going to be doing clickbait videos.
Yeah.
Clickbait Airsoft videos. You guys better be ready for that.
Yeah, just like this one. This one's definitely gonna be clickbait.
Yeah.
I'm thinking of the title right now.
I already got a title for the first Airsoft video. So
Hey, there you go, man. So you're expecting more Airsoft clickbait stuff from us.
Yep. Also expect me to look operator. I'm looking cool, man. Looking cool.
I'm
Stay freezy, guys. Stay freezy.
Freezy.
Stay freezy.
Freezy. Where do you get this terminology
I
from?
made it up. Instead of saying stay cool, stay freezy.
Jeez.
Stay freezy.
And usually it's say frosty.
I know. Stay cool, stay frosty, stay freezy. I might get that as a flipping patch, you know. Stay freezy. Hey. Peace out.
That could be your Airsoft brand.
Stay freezy.
Yeah.
Probably. Hey, freezy. I did not expect it to leave marks, you know. Headshots leave marks. How many did I hit you?